welcome to my channel. So here I'll be showing you how you can divide a given triangle into two equal areas by a line perpendicular to one of the side. How to divide a given triangle into two equal areas by a line perpendicular to one side. So the first thing that you need to do is to construct the triangle with the given dimensions, so which I believe you can do. Then after you have constructed the triangle, the next thing to do is to draw a perpendicular line from the vertex, this point C here, to line AB. So this line that we drew from the vertex C to line AB meets line AB at point D. So it means that this line CD is at the right angle to line AB. So that is the second thing that you have to do after you have constructed the triangle using the given dimensions. So the next thing that you are going to do is to construct a semicircle on this line BD. So on line DB, so we have to construct a semicircle on line DB. So to construct that semicircle, we need to locate the midpoint of line DB. So what we need to do is to bisect this line. So we draw an arc here, so which I believe you can do. Okay, and then so we put the midpoint at B. So we draw an arc here and here. Okay, so we just need to locate the midpoint. I'm not going to draw the line, so I'll just locate the midpoint like this. So just to put, okay, so this is the midpoint. So I'm not going to draw the line. So I put the midpoint of this, the midpoint at this point, and extend to B or extend to D. Okay, so I'll check it with point D here. Okay, so it's okay. So I can draw the semicircle like this. So you draw this semicircle, so I've done it here. Alright, so having drawn this semicircle, so the next thing that we are going to do, so is to bisect line AB. So you bisect AB. So that is the next thing that we are going to do after we have drawn the semicircle. As you can see here, we are going to bisect distance AB. So to do that, I put the point of my compass at A here. So extend to a convenient radius. So I will draw an arc here and here. And then I'll put the same radius at B. Okay, then draw an arc here, so an arc here. Alright, so now, so for this one, I'm going to draw the bisector. I need to draw the bisector. So here I will draw the bisector. Okay, so I draw the bisector like this. Okay, so this bisector, it meets line AB at this point. So I will call this point, I will call it point F. Okay, so why this point here on the semicircle? So where this bisector touches the semicircle, I will call it point E. So this is point E and this is point F, as you can see here. So the next thing that I'm going to do is to put the midpoint of my compass at point B, and I will extend it to E. So extend it to E on the semicircle like this. Okay, then I'm going to draw an arc like this to meet. Okay, so I don't need to call this point here. I don't need to call it F. I just need point E. So where the bisector touch the semicircle, so that is where I need. So I'm going to remove this F, as you can see here. Okay, so point F now will now be at this point. So where this arc that we drew, taking the radius BE, meets this line AB. So this is point F here. Okay, so now, so from point F, I will now draw a vertical line that will be parallel to this line. So I just draw a vertical line like this. So I need to make it thick. Okay, all right, so this is point G. So this line FG has divided this triangle into two equal areas. This line FG has divided this triangle into two equal areas. So this is how you can divide a given triangle into two equal areas by a line perpendicular to one of the side. So this line FG is at a right angle or is perpendicular to line AB. So that is the line we are talking about. So it's as simple as I've done it here. Thank you and keep on practicing.